Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Step by step guide how to use Google Ad from YouTube's. Very important class and very important tutorial, very important lectures, my videos and YouTube Google Ads. Step by step guidelines how to use and Google Ads from YouTube. Number one, log into your Google Ads account, go to over search and click a new campaign. Number two, next up you will be promote and select a goal. Do you want sales, leads, website traffic, promote and brand consideration, apps promote, local store visit and create a campaign without the guides of goal. You will be able to set up the tracking letters. Number three, select video when asked about in campaign type. Number four, for campaign sustainable and strategy, select video rich campaign. Number five, choose how you want to achieve your goal. Number one, effective rates, bumper ads, skippable ads, and makes and tools. Number two, non-skippable instant ad. Either the campaign names and budget. For the budget, you will have the set daily limit, ad and set, and a keep tracking your brand's ad video for platforms. Discover when you want to add to be placed. YouTube search result, YouTube videos, YouTube on the display network. Advance the targeted of Google Ads for YouTube. You can also use advertising targeted setting and relate more specific custom audience. Example, you can adjust trading based on device OS and mobile care time, demography, generate age increase back and partner, keyword of traffics, are real recommend doing you have own search before adjust your targeting. Use Google those have and them can help select and select the right audience, but we'll have to wait auto out at lot of trim was with proper keywords and audience research before the campaign launch will be attention only then attends leads. My PPC consultant and details that the keywords and traffics and audience customers search for when they're ready to buyers. One, you adjust and targeting, you should be specific that maximum price you will pay each view, which is adjustment in time. You will also the able to CPC by increase relevant quality search to the into need goal type of more than all campaign. How to link a Google ad account with the YouTube channel. Sign in YouTube channel studio, go to settings and channel, navigate and advanced settings tab, click and link account, enter your Google ad customer ID and number thing, select information grade, click done and the save. One of Google accounts own over the channel marketing. The turn of the your regular Google ads and YouTube ads. Google will automatically convert type on your YouTube videos, select convert the channel. How and the Google Ad Expert extend. I recommend create and videos and Google videos are explained advance of optimize Google ads for YouTube's increase YouTube videos ads quality source, increase YouTube your YouTube ads quality source, As with Google Ads, YouTube Ads aim to provide views with the relevant content targeted a specific audience because you want to each the right fish you can wide net. The goals into watch in maintain about targeting your ideal customer, just any who might be interested. Relevance also increase your YouTube ads quality source. Google will look at the long the views watched your videos, how many click-throughs and on CTA, how relevant your landing page optimized, then there are calls be will on your playing less than better performance. YouTube ads just videos. When the performance people have YouTube videos and background specifically them the true music. Do you click in and optimize without relevance audio? When watch them for Google Ads and Google Ads YouTube obtain various the matter if you so need calculate you can help seeing on the audience more the watch time and conversion solution. Optimize YouTube ads and landing page and CTA. Finally, don't forget the set of the CTA and LinkedIn and device LinkedIn page. Your advertising multi products, which is your significant platforms, and them. You have thumbnails should be engaged. You all should be and this if you want to engage thumbnails even we should YouTube ads and click skip and good create moments thumbnail because your brand and relatives reach more leads with Google ads for YouTube type of programs and easy to Google ads for YouTube want to maximum and reply set up successfully campaign my team and have helped those business on Google ads and personal generate lead matching this. Friends, nicely presentation how to use Google ad for YouTube total discuss my channels my videos. How get YouTube views, use the Google ads on YouTube subscriber, learn better start and increase your videos views and growing the audience and complete guidelines. Looking the boost YouTube viewership and learn more best strategy for increase your video views and growing your audience. This campaign the forum object you learn and social media clubbing and Google ads better than Google partner and Google including your marketing agency Google step set up in Google account link your Google account channel YouTube ad create new video campaign and select your campaign goal choose your campaign site select ad from the your create groups create your video ads and set your bid on budget review and launch in your campaign and mention and optimize your campaign save cost save time expect and experience strategy for planning and video optimization channel grow and subscriber community content creation and products analytic and lighting advance and motivation time and reach effect and for the details cost base YouTube marketing and etc. Google ads from YouTube lot of type YouTube ads type how to YouTube ads appearance and what YouTube so much and lot of system. Please subscribe my channel, friends. I'm the nicely presentation how to use ads on YouTube step by step, why to YouTube ads and type of YouTube ad formats, bumper ads, model ads, and in feature video ads, responsive Google display and for your ads, skippable video ads and no skippable video ads, how much do you Google ad for the cost, and a lot of I can step by step guidelines how to use and Google ads on YouTube, advertising training for Google ads for YouTube, and how to link Google ads account with on YouTube channel, the regular YouTube Google ads and into YouTube ads, and expert advance and optimize your Google ads on YouTube, increase your YouTube ads quality source, YouTube ads after just videos, watch time, and from YouTube Google ads rating, optimize YouTube ads landing page and CTC. Your thumbnail should be engaging, etc. So thank you, my friend. Best of luck.